Hello everyone. Once again, I'm Charanjeet Kaur with my YouTube channel Candid Life. आज का ये कैंडिड टॉक जो है वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट था क्योंकि मैं तो ये लॉकडाउन में रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड तो मैं आई जस्ट केम टू माई फ्रेंड उर्वी शी इज़ माई फ्रेंड उर्वी फ्रॉम ट्रिप वेंचर ए ओनर ऑफ अ ट्रेवल कंपनी ए वेल नोन ट्रेवल कंपनी. सो मुझे आज लगा कि आज मैं बाहर निकलूं और मुझे कुछ तो प्लान करना था एंड आई थिंक उर्वी इज़ द बेस्ट पर्सन टू आस्क. Welcome Urvi to my candid talk. This is definitely totally natural talk और मेरे जो भी questions होंगे वो totally जो मेरे हैं वो ही पूछूंगी but definitely ये questions काफ़ी लोगों को औरों को भी help करेंगे. So मेरा first question है उर्वी, ये जो बाहर निकलने का डर है उससे कैसे मुक्ति पाई जाए?
ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू शरण, आपने आपके कैंडिड टॉक में मुझे इन्वॉल्व किया. आई एम सो ग्लैड एंड रियली हैप्पी टू आपके जैसे काफ़ी लोगों को ये सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे, आई एम श्योर, एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे आई थिंक वी कैन रीच आउट. सो जो डर है तो डर के साथ तो जीना ही है. एक चीज़, आप तो इंश्योरेंस फील्ड में हो, आपको पता है रिस्क वहाँ लेते हैं जहाँ रिस्क नहीं होगा वहाँ गेन नहीं होगा.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. यस.
सो लाइफ का ये फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला विच आई कम्प्लीटली एग्री इज जहाँ रिस्क है वहीं गेन है. एंड लाइफ नेवर स्टॉप्स.
यस.
कितने भी सिचुएशन आ जाए लाइफ में, पीपल वांट टू ट्रैवल. आपको अगर मैं बोलूँ एक ही जगह पे बिना हिले बिना कुछ किए आप कितने टाइम तक रुक सकते हो, तो दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. तो इसके साथ जीना है, डर के नहीं जीना है. डर के साथ इसको प्रिकॉशंस कैसे लेके जीना है, वो पॉइंट है. तो हम डर के कहीं निकले नहीं, कुछ करे नहीं, तो वहाँ स्टॉप नहीं होना है. सो कोविड सिनेरियो इज जस्ट अ पॉज, इट्स नॉट अ स्टॉप. सो ये मैं आपके सारे व्यूवर्स को बोलूँगी कि डोंट गेट अफ्रेड ऑफ ट्रैवल. इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि हम बाहर निकलेंगे ट्रैवल करेंगे तो ही हमको कोविड होना है.
ट्रू.
वो कैसे भी हो सकता है,
ये भी बात है. या ट्रू.
सो ये नहीं, मतलब वो डर के जीना स्टॉप कर दीजिए.
हाँ, या दैट इज रियली गुड टिप उर्वी. और आपको पता है आई एम द पर्सन हु लव टू मीट पीपल एंड और डेफिनेटली मुझे पता था मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को मिलूंगी तो मेरा डर तो डेफिनेटली दूर करने वाली है वो. आई थिंक काफ़ी हद तक हो भी गया बट स्टिल आई हैव क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस इज लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, अगर मुझे प्लान, जैसे मैं आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू आई वांट टू प्लान माय हॉलीडे फॉर अ स्मॉल ट्रिप. So what safety measure we should take it as a traveler, I want to ask here.
So whenever you are traveling, few things which according to me should be a non-negotiable. One is mask. Carry your own masks and change it since you are traveling. So change it if after every 2-3 hours if you are traveling on a road trip, or if you are within a area wherein marketplace हो गया or something like that.
Okay.
So just change it every frequently.
Okay.
Sanitize your hands.
Sure. Yeah.
Use gloves if you're visiting marketplaces or you're going
Okay.
out for shopping and all that stuff.
Okay.
For if you're staying in hotels or something,
Mm-hmm.
then I would suggest you to avoid the toiletries that they offer.
Okay.
So don't use their soaps or their shampoos, or you can just carry your own from the home.
Okay.
Use your own bed sheet. Carry one bed sheet also.
Back to basics, huh?
Because
Yes.
in early days people used to do that.
Yeah. True.
I
Very
remember
true.
when
I'm
we
agree.
used to go, I used to have my own mal ka chaddar. Whenever I used to go, I used to take that.
Take
I
that,
used to
yes,
feel
yes.
that हाँ यहाँ ये डाल के सोना है, because of the COVID scenario,
Mhm.
no doubt the hotels are maintaining their protocols.
Mhm.
They are sanitizing. They are making sure that the safety measures are taken properly.
Mhm.
But still, I would, if you are traveling and you have that fear, just for your assurity, travel with all these precautions. This is my advice. It is better to be safe than sorry.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's good. But yes, Urvi, I'm quite sure I'll be, prepared that way. But how we like उन लोगों के लिए क्या solution है कि हम सोचते हैं कि हम तो सब precautions ले रहे हैं, right? पर सामने वाला अगर उतना dedicate है, उतना precautions ले रहे हैं, even the hotels and all, what is the option for those kind of people?
Okay. So, for example, if you are going and visiting any hotel,
Yes.
I would suggest go to only those hotels. I also suggest only those hotels which I know are maintaining proper sanitization.
Okay.
So after every visit, these hotels sanitize each and every room and then let the other
Person. Okay.
person enter.
Okay.
So this is how the process is set. But still, when it comes to a hotel, so your breakfast are usually a buffet.
Yes, buffet, and mostly
Mostly,
food time when you're
yes.
taking food
So
out.
then
you should
that
take
that
it.
is the point wherein a lot of people come.
Yes.
So I would suggest either you go sabse pehle
Okay.
when the entire crowd is not going,
Right.
or maybe after सब जाके आ जाए उसके
तो-
बाद, या फिर बेस्ट ऑप्शन स्पीक टू द जनरल मैनेजर एंड कॉल द ब्रेकफास्ट इन योर रूम.
I will do that.
So, मतलब आपको वो
Yes.
इंटरेक्शन ही नहीं है कहीं और दूसरे लोगों
True.
के साथ. You are having your own in the room which is
Safety.
completely safe,
Yes.
and you are having food there.
Safety,
So
yeah.
that is a complete
Okay.
thing.
And what about children and old people? Definitely, we have in-laws and like children. तो उनके लिए क्या, उन अगर I think I can't convince my husband कि let's go to hotel, and he'll still have question नहीं, our daughter is very small.
Yes.
ऐसे लोगों के लिए क्या options are with senior citizens as well as
So,
small
Sharon,
kids?
there are a lot of people. Like I always tell, India is really incredible, and there are a lot of places which are not even explored.
Yeah, that is.
So there are
I'm
so
agree, yeah.
many homestays.
Okay.
There are so many private villas, private bungalows
Yeah.
in and around Mumbai also. In Lonavala, you can say Karjat,
Yeah.
Mahabaleshwar,
Yes.
Panchgini. There are
Okay.
so many private villas
Mm-hmm.
which you can go there.
Yeah.
Those are sanitized properly.
Okay. Yeah.
Private affair, private only meant for your family. No doubt it is little expensive if only few people are going.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can tag along your friends who you think are maintaining hygiene,
Oh, okay.
and you can
Good.
plan it that way.
Okay. And what about food then? Like.
So food, they have an in-house caretaker.
Okay.
So they will be making the food, and everything will be happening in front of your eyes, so you know how it is happening.
Then you are doing your. मतलब you're making sure.
It is like transparent,
Yes,
there is
yes.
nothing that is going to be hidden from you. The kitchen is accessible. You can also cook if you want to. We are
Yeah.
providing you kitchen.
I will. I think
You can
my
utilize.
daughter will be happy because she always loved my mama should cook food for me.
So that option is there. In fact, bungalow option is much better because you can order food, eat food at your own
Okay.
convenience,
Okay.
and there's a caretaker, proper cleaning happens, everything is streamlined
Okay.
and sanitized. So that is the most safest, and also you can access swimming pools,
Oh, okay.
because after every visit they clear the swimming pool, they clean the water, and
Then I'm sure I'm going to do that because आज ही मेरी बेटी का सुबह जैसे हॉलीडे स्टार्ट हुआ तो उसका एक ही क्वेश्चन था, मम्मा कैन वी गो टू स्विमिंग पूल. आई वाज थिंकिंग बेटा वो शायद 6 महीने तक पॉसिबल नहीं, बट थैंक यू सो मच उर्वी फॉर गिविंग मी दिस. द माइट हॉलीडे trip is sure for bungalow that I am convinced for, but definitely it's up to person how person want to go ahead. Yes, Urvi, I think very important question which was in my mind. What about to the people who are suffering in this pandemic, because हम ट्रैवल का तो सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं, बट वी वॉन्ट टू ट्रैवल. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगों को मैं जानती हूँ एज ए फाइनेंशियल प्लानर, फाइनेंशियल लाइफ कोच, कि वो बहुत घूमते थे, राइट. वो घूमने की वजह से वो सेविंग नहीं रखते थे. तो अभी इस टाइम पे उनको दोनों चीज़ें टॉस पे हैं, ना वो ट्रैवल कर पा रहे हैं और ना ही उनके पास ऐसा फंड्स हैं जिससे वो फ्यूचर में इमीडिएटली कल का कल अगर प्लान करे ट्रैवल कर पाए. तो व्हाट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू टैकल इन दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन, बिकॉज दिस इज इमोशंस विद द ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री. आई नो, तो कुछ ऐसा आइडिया आपके माइंड में या व्हाट यू वांट टू.
So when I remember March 22nd, so जब we decided that for 1 month the lockdown will be issued. So that time was the phase जहाँ पे I had a lot of cancellations happening. जिनके already May के plans, because May vacations usually 80% of the crowd wants to travel during that phase.
Right.
So it's like a peak season for the travel industry. So that was in March only. I got so many cancellations,
Okay.
and few of them came up saying that it's okay if you had the funds, you keep it with yourself. We'll travel it later. So we'll utilize those funds later. So my clients are such.
I know. Yeah.
I'm blessed with such good clients that they said okay, we'll travel with the same funds later. But simultaneously with that, I got an idea, Sharon, that why don't I work something wherein if they pay me installments,
Yes.
okay, for 11 months, 12th month installment will be my lookout. So that will be borne by me, and of that entire amount will be like a saving under Trip Venture, and then they can plan it later. So because of the corona, nobody was sure when it is going to end. And अभी already वो plan roll out किया है. I call it as STTP plan, which is Systematic Trip Venture Travel Plan.
Oh, you have taken this thing, I think, from the investment part. I'm
Yes.
really impressed, Urvi, for this.
So-
Specifically, she has the saving habits and herself, as well as she have plan for traveling of systematic travel plan, trip venture travel plan.
Yes.
It's wonderful. I'm really happy that you are thinking in that part.
Yeah. So I am aware of a lot of people who want to travel, but at the end, they don't have budgets.
Very
So
true.
this was the issues which we faced since long time, and I was thinking to launch it way before.
Okay.
And this COVID scenario, it actually helped me, and I launched it, and you won't believe I've got a very good response, and there are a lot of people who have taken this plan. So it's like you pay for 11 months, 12 months will be borne by me, and then after 12 months for next 1 year, anytime you can travel and utilize those funds in your travel.
Very
So
good.
again, it's not a pinch.
Yes.
It's like it's just random.
Yes.
You don't have to worry on spending.
It's really good,
It's not a big pinch on your pocket.
Yes.
At
And
the end.
slowly, gradually, it's going, and even though if we go for a restaurant in a 1 month, right, and 5 to 6,000, it's
Normal.
easily goes. So
Yes.
it's good if we start
So it
investing.
starts from 1,000,
Oh.
just 1,000 to 10,000,
Okay.
and I'm going to relaunch it soon because I launched it in April,
Yeah.
and now I'm going to again relaunch it in December. I'm thinking about it.
Okay, great. I'm with you. I'm going to market this plan because this is related to saving, and which is very near to my heart. Okay, it's really interesting, Urvi. एक और question. My question, till I get convinced.
You can ask me as many questions as you want.
I think most important question after COVID, how your industry is affected, and what kind of plans you are having. A little bit excited plan, right? Sad stories, a long term it doesn't sustain. The challenges stories, like आज वो challenge है हमारे पास कोविड का, तो कल इस challenge से कुछ नया उभर के आए, ऐसा कुछ प्लान आपके माइंड में है. आई नो यू आर वेरी क्रिएटिव एंड यू आर लाइक शी ऑलवेज थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. So that is how I am going to ask this question.
So, Sharon, that's a very important question, and I think because of COVID, काफी चीजें standby mode पे चली गई हैं.
Very true. Yeah.
So when it comes to traveling, so people were not confident enough to travel.
Yes.
So during April, I came up with this concept of work from mountains. Can you imagine? You are bored working at home, right? मतलब वही
I
10
think all
hours.
plan you are doing for me. I think so.
So 10 hours you are in front of the screen. You are at home. यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है. And I'm sure with managing home you have kids, you have a family. ये करना है, वो करना है. No maids. So
Yeah.
सब काम खुद से करना है. And
Yeah.
it was getting really hectic. So
True.
I just came upon with this concept of. There are two concepts. One is work from mountains, and
Okay.
another one is work from wilderness.
Ah,
So either forest lovers can opt that.
Good.
You get Wi-Fi, and these are basically homestays,
Okay.
and these are in the north, so near Himachal, Uttarakhand,
Okay.
and all these are homestays. You bet you will not get such homestays. They are so beautiful, valley facing, river flowing by. Nature के साथ ना, Sharan, I feel when you are in the nature,
Your
productivity increases.
increase. I'm totally agree.
And
Yes.
the idea, self introspection,
Mhm.
जो भी आप करना चाहते हो ना, वो नेचर के साथ ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड होता है.
Exactly. And the challenge is what in forest, facing. Definitely, you have the out of box thinking, how to come out from this situation, how to deal with this situation. And definitely एक चीज़ मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानती हूँ उर्वी, जब ऑक्सीजन लेवल पर्सन को अच्छा मिले माइंड में, तो इट्स माइंड वर्क वंडर्स.
Mind will do wonders.
Yeah,
Do that.
very
So
true.
this concept also worked out really well. And there were a lot of people who traveled with us, and they also you don't want to spend much. You just want a basic room, a Wi-Fi,
Yes.
and a beautiful view, a place to sit with your laptop and just work. And the feedback I received was really amazing, that they really enjoyed it. So there are GB valleys, there is Tirthan Valley, and a lot of things.
Yeah. I think this we will work on specifically on these aspects. I would like to tell my all viewers ki why very important when you are travel with your known travel agent, which is very important because I always work for local, and so she's one of my besties. So I think when you are with your besties and they take care of yourself as well, so it's very important. If anyone want to travel, safe travel, and you can put a chat box where you can put your questions, and I will definitely any queries for Urvi, I would really appreciate that. And you should have one experience at least in a life with trip venture, I wish. So thank you so much, Urvi, for
Thank
such
you,
a
Sharon.
for such a such a this is my channel is all about candid talks and natural talks and natural questions in life. Let's live a natural life, friends. Thank you
Yes.
so much to
Thank
all
you,
my
Sharon.
viewers.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Sharon.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye everyone.
Bye.